or it can be used for beginners that aren't quite ready to do full sparring yet. So what I want you to do is called bulldogging. So what I want you to do is bend over, and then I want you to reach over and take him by the head. Over the top. Over the top.
Oh, me over there?
No, not scarf hold, like this.
Okay.
All right?
Oh,
Just
okay.
like that. Now you take him over the head.
Okay.
Now, you're not allowed to choke, and you can't add your other hand. You can only use the arm that's there, and this is a holding position, not a choking position. So no choking, none of that. And the same goal is the same. Push your man out of the ring.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
But you're not allowed to choke, and you're not allowed to do anything like that. Just straight wrestle. That's it.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. You want to move.
I was trying to get him so he's not right on the edge.
All right, go for it.
Ready? Yep. Yep.
Oh, traction problem. Oh! Be careful being dizzy, because it does make you dizzy. Oh! That was tight. Oh, Robert went out. Foot out. You can hit stop.